Hey, future millionaires and multimillionaires. Here's a detailed 5-year history, from 2020 to 2025, of Tesla Inc. stock, including key stock price trends, business developments, and macroeconomic influences that shaped its performance. Alright, let's dive into the stock price history. In 2020, Tesla's stock price ranged from $86 to $705, split adjusted. It was a breakout year, with EV adoption accelerating, consistent profits posted, and Tesla being added to the S&P 500 in December. Not to forget, the stock split 5-for-1 in August. Moving on to 2021, the price ranged from $700 to $1,230 pre-split. This year saw record deliveries and massive hype, with TSLA peaking in November. The full self-driving beta was introduced, and the Model Y expansion took place. A 3-for-1 stock split was announced later, executed in August 2022. In 2022, the stock faced a harsh correction, dropping from $400 to $110, post-split adjusted. Rising rates, inflation, and Elon's Twitter acquisition spooked investors. Delivery growth slowed, and margins compressed. 2023 was a recovery year, with the stock price moving from $110 to $300. Price cuts boosted volume, Cybertruck hype built, and energy storage and megapack units grew fast. FSD progress was steady, but still in beta. In 2024, volatility returned, with the stock price ranging from $250 to $180. EV price wars with China, competition from BYD, and legacy automakers squeezed margins. Tesla energy and AI businesses became the focus. Finally, in 2025, the stock rebounded early, moving from $180 to over $240. Cybertruck delivery scaled, Tesla Robotics, also known as Optimus, gained attention, and AI Day boosted the long-term outlook. TSLA attempted to regain its growth stock status. Now let's talk about some key business developments. Over these years, Tesla has seen significant milestones, from expanding its vehicle lineup to venturing into energy storage and AI. The introduction of the Cybertruck, advancements in full self-driving technology, and the growth of Tesla Energy and Megapack units have been pivotal. Not to mention, the company's focus on AI and robotics, particularly with Tesla Robotics and Optimus, has set the stage for future innovations. Let's look at vehicle deliveries. In 2020, Tesla delivered around 500,000 vehicles. This number nearly doubled in 2021, reaching approximately 936,000. In 2022, deliveries grew to about 1.3 million. The upward trend continued in 2023, with around 1.8 million vehicles delivered. However, in 2024, growth stagnated due to price cuts and global competition. Let's talk about Tesla's factory expansions. In 2022, Tesla opened gigafactories in Berlin and Texas, significantly boosting their production capabilities. Shanghai continues to be a crucial hub for their operations in Asia. And looking ahead, plans are underway for a new gigafactory in Mexico, expected to be developed by 2024 or 2025. Let's take a moment to explore some of Tesla's other ambitious divisions. Tesla Energy has been ramping up its energy storage and solar initiatives, aiming to revolutionize how we consume and store energy. In the realm of AI and robotics, the Optimus robot and the Dojo AI training chip have garnered significant long-term investor interest. And while full self-driving is still not fully autonomous, the beta version has been widely released in the United States by 2023. Over the years, Tesla has executed several stock splits to make its shares more accessible to a broader range of investors. In August 2020, Tesla initiated a 5-for-1 stock split. Then in August 2022, the company followed up with a 3-for-1 split. Now let's dive into Tesla's financial and market overview. Back in 2020, Tesla's revenue was approximately $31.5 billion, with a net income of around $720 million. Fast forward to the estimated figures for 2024, and we're looking at revenue surpassing $100 billion and a net income nearing $10 billion, though margins have compressed. At its peak in 2021, Tesla's market cap reached about $700 billion, but by May 2025, it's expected to be around $570 billion. The PE ratio, which was an astronomical 1,200 in 2020, is projected to normalize to between 60 and 70 by 2025. Throughout the years, several major catalysts and events have shaped Tesla's journey. In 2020, the pandemic boosted interest in electric vehicles, and Tesla posted 4 profitable quarters, leading to its inclusion in the S&P 500. The following year saw Tesla's exposure to cryptocurrency with a Bitcoin purchase, a massive order from Hertz for 100,000 vehicles, and record sales of Model 3 and Model Y. 2022 was marked by the Twitter saga, executive turnover, global EV competition, and inflation pressures. By 2023, Tesla began to recover from an overcorrection, with rising relevance in its megapack and energy business. In 2024, the focus shifted to cost-cutting and an AI pivot, amidst mixed investor sentiment regarding Elon Musk's focus and global strategy. Looking ahead to 2025, the hype around AI and robotics is expected to revive speculative interest, although margins will be closely watched.